Do you need a super easy cocktail for your holiday party? Well, I have the perfect one for you. It's quick, easy, and it smells like Christmas. What does Christmas smell like? Well, if you're not familiar with mulling spices from my last video, they're a mixture of all these awesome spices that smell delicious. It's cinnamon, orange peel, whole star anise, lemon peel, whole spice, whole cloves, vanilla extract, and orange oil. So I'm gonna add my mulling spices to a cloth tea bag. You need about 1/4 cup, not too much. So place it in your saucepan. I'm gonna add 2 bottles of red wine to my saucepan. I like to use a merlot or a cabernet because they're usually more fruit-forward wines. Add 1 cup of brown sugar. Next, I'm gonna add 2 cups of apple cider. You can use apple juice as well, but I prefer the taste of apple cider, so I just picked that one. Then we're gonna add a cup of water. Next, give it a stir. Turn on the heat and bring it to a boil. Once it's come to a boil, turn the heat to low and let it simmer, just to keep it warm while your guests drink it. For an extra kick, you can add a cup of spiced rum. If you like this recipe and want to see more, subscribe to my channel. See, wasn't that easy? I wouldn't lie to you. Just please be safe when driving, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday, my lovelies. Bye!